Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So today after a gap down opening we saw sell off and later markets recovered and Nifty closed around 17,200. So as we are discussing from last 2-3 videos, 17,350 to 17,500 range will act as a resistance range, and until Nifty clears it we won't see a sharp upside. And you can tomorrow sell Nifty below 17,200 and your target will be around 17,050, 17,000. That is today's day low, and you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 17,260. You will have to maintain a stop loss at 17,260. And Nifty is sideways and with a negative bias, so Nifty has to clear this range, that is 17,000 on lower side or 17,500 on higher side. So until Nifty is in this range we won't see any momentum. Once Nifty breaks this range we will see a sharp move, and below 17,000 Nifty can fall till 16,800, 16,850. So now let's see Bank Nifty. So you can sell Bank Nifty below 37,600 and the next support is at 37,300, 37,300, 37,150. So these two will be your target, and you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 37,800. And Bank Nifty is in this range, that is 37,000 and 38,100. So Bank Nifty has to break this range for a sharp move for the trending market. Until Bank Nifty breaks it we won't see any momentum, and above 38,100 Bank Nifty can go till 38,500, and below 37,000 Bank Nifty can go till 36,650. So now let's see our stock of the day. So we have two stocks, and the first stock is DLF, and we recommended DLF for selling on 17th Feb I think, and from there you're seeing a fall and the targets were achieved. Now DLF again closed below the last swing low, and the next support is at 325, 330, 320. So you can sell DLF and you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 353 or 357 as per your risk appetite, and you can sell it once DLF goes below 344, and your targets will be 330, 325 and 320. So for these three targets you can sell DLF. Now let's see our second stock. So our second stock is HAL, and if you see the chart it has started to make lower high lower low formation and has closed below previous swing low. So you can sell HAL and your targets will be 1270 and 1250, and you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 1315. So that's all for today's video. If you liked my video please share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.